Hi, thanks for allowing me to talk to you today about an exciting new investment opportunity we've become aware of. The business I would like to talk to you about is Eric's Oil Changes. Eric's Oil Changes is a company that is based on the idea of offering only one service but delivering it exceptionally well in order to provide a great experience for their customers. Their mission statement states that they'll provide the highest value and best possible experience for each of their customers during every interaction. They'll provide low-cost, low-risk investment opportunities with high rates of return for their investors. They'll provide an exceptional work environment for their employees. What sets Eric's Oil Changes apart from their competitors is they recognize that there are many choices available for a consumer to have their car serviced. We recognize the need to do something that set us apart from the rest. They determined they would offer only one product, oil changes, but they would provide an excellent customer experience. Our profit growth is built on providing the highest value possible to our customers and going out of our way to treat them like family. The required supplies and expenses under their business model are very minimal. For most gasoline vehicles, 4 to 8 quarts of oil are required, one oil filter, 1 gallon of window wash, and small quantities of other fluids to top off levels, and they may or may not require an air filter. Under their business model, an average 6-quart oil change will result in the following profit: $5 markup on the oil filter, $1.27 markup per bottle of oil for a total of $7.62, and $12.50 profit on labor costs, and then an additional markup on air filters and fluid top-offs as needed. Realized profits for this example would be $32.62. This is a 92% profit on cost involved under this example. Here we can see the model that shows the difference between costs and profits under Eric's Oil Changes business model, and we can see that each item clearly shows a profit associated with the price on that item. As far as other additional costs that may be associated with this business model, oil filters, after they're drained, they can be disposed of as common trash, so there's no additional disposal cost for oil filter. Used oil is recycled at no cost in a waste oil heater, providing heat for the shop area, so there's no disposal costs associated with used oil. Existing shop supplies and lift equipment are used, resulting in no additional purchase of equipment being necessary after initial startup. And there is minimal overhead cost for shop towels and floor dry, but they can also be disposed of as common trash. And space requirements are minimal and can be fit into any type of existing business. Under Eric's Oil Changes growth projections, they state that they have discovered that according to the United States Department of Transportation, there were 263.6 million registered vehicles in the United States in 2016. These numbers have continued to grow since 1960. With each of these vehicles requiring maintenance, there's no upper limit on the growth that is possible within this industry. Investors will recognize a 75 to 95% return on each oil change, resulting in low risk, high reward scenario. Low initial investments coupled with high returns creates a winning investment combination. Eric's Oil Changes was able to experience a high rate of return on their initial investments. Their ideas for future growth include offering a car wash or detail service along with the oil changes to deliver on their commitment to provide the ultimate satisfaction of their customers. They also plan to create a comfortable waiting area suitable for families to make the wait during service more pleasant. The biggest challenge that they have faced so far was that they were working to effectively advertise their services. So far, they have relied on social media and word of mouth to advertise their services. In the future, a well-planned and executed advertising plan would help boost profitability past current levels.